hello. I am Alicia Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel, a place for multi-passionate creative entrepreneurs for you to live a life of your dreams. Let's hop right on into today's video. I will be talking all about vision boards. I'll be talking all about vision boards and a vision board remix, like some of the things that you really should do if you really want to manifest a life of your dreams. So I am going to hop right on in. If you see me looking down, it's only because I am looking at my notes on my iPad. All right, so of course, there are traditional vision boards that take up a whole entire wall. You would do them on a poster board, and then you would have the magazines, and you would cut things out of the magazine or Pinterest and really just add things on there. Well, I must say, although those vision boards are quite effective, there is a better way, like a 2023 and beyond way of really making sure that your life, your visions, your dreams, your relationships, your finances, everything that you've ever completely wanted in your life, you want to listen to this video all the way through, because some of the ideas that I am going to tell you are things that you probably have never heard of before. So the first thing is, I want you to create your vision on index cards. Now, the thing that I do like about having your vision boards on an index card is that if you are at work, or specifically if you are on the go, or if there are other activities for you to do in your life, you can always take your index cards out and literally go through them and really just say what is on your cards. So the thing that I have done is I separated my cards, as in my body, here's one, which is a color. Then I did my soul, which is another one, like the spiritual aspects of my life. The other way that I did my vision board cards, let me kind of just flow right on through them here, is, don't go nowhere, hold on, is the business. So it's the body, soul, business. The other one is my mind. So body, soul, business, mind. And then there is another one, is some of the things that I have already accomplished. So a lot of times, another card that you could add as well. So you have your mind, your body, your soul, your business, and I would also suggest that you do a fifth one, which is your relationships. I believe that those 5 things are the core 5 that everyone should expound upon when it comes to growing your personal brand or even building your life. So the thing that you want to do is, I would suggest the index cards. Have the index cards somewhere beside you. That way you are able to refer to them when you are doing things in your life. You can literally slip these index cards, look at this, in your handbag and be on the go. At least you would know that you are carrying your vision with you. The reason why you want to carry your vision, your thoughts, your dreams with you is because a lot of times if your vision is stuck on a wall, then that means that it's almost like out of sight, out of mind, you know? So you want to make sure that your vision is always in front of you, beside you, around you. All right, so the next one that I have that I totally love that I have been doing is making sure that you have your vision as a song, right? Because I am a singer, I totally love singing my vision board song. So I won't sing the whole song, because in the link below, I will actually leave a video of me having this vision board song. So some of the words say, and I'll probably just sing the whole thing. I have multiple streams of income. I make money in my sleep. I'm in the best shape of my life. And I am well achieved. I am prestige. People pay me for what I'm worth, because I'm a goddess here on earth. I'm healthy and I am wealthy and I am mentally strong. I'm focused and driven and I will live long. Everything that I want is already mine. God, thank you, because I know that it is my time. It's a vision board song. Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. But I remember my song. I remember my vision board song, and sometimes when I am in the house, sometimes when I am in the car, I will play it. Sometimes I'll play it before I go to bed, and it's almost like activating your reticular activating system, right? When you are saying these words, you are reaffirming to the universe what you actually want and what you desire for your life. So when I'm singing this song, I have multiple streams of income, and I'm like, hey, 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 hey. And I am literally able to celebrate those moments that I actually want in my life. So singing them, right? So not only is the vision board before your eyes, but you are saying them. You are adding a sound. You are adding a frequency. You are adding a vibration to what you want so that you could actually attract the life that you want. So not only do you want to see your vision, but you want to feel your vision. When you add the feeling to what you want, then that makes it more real. It's almost like ask and it shall be given. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and the door shall be open. You want to make sure that you are positioning not just your eyes, but you want to make sure that you are positioning your ears because you want to hear your vision. Not only that, but you want to speak those words. You want to add those feelings. And when you are able to do all of that, you are able to attract what you want a lot faster. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay. I'm excited about this because I love topics like this. All right. So the next one is to say your vision as an affirmation, right? So not only do I want you to create something where you could see it, I want you to create something where you could say it or sing it, and I want you to create something where you could say this thing every single day. So what I have created previously is I've created a document in Canva where I actually put whatever I wanted to manifest. So I would say things like, my relationship with my husband is successful. I am extremely thankful that I have multiple streams of income from my online business. I would say things like, I am fit, I am firm, I am fabulous, and in the best shape of my life. I love to eat my fruits and my vegetables every single day because I know that it fuels my body. I would say things like, and you could say these things too, I am an amazing mom, a wife, a sister, and a friend, and I have great relationships with individuals in my life. So I really want you to think about not just your vision as just seeing it, but I want you to say it. Write it down in Canva and really print the document out and have certain triggers. Every time that you would walk through the door, I want you to take that out and say those affirmations. Before you crank up your car when you go to work or when you go to the grocery store, I want you to take out your document and I want you to say that affirmation. Before you go to bed at night, I want you to have those words somewhere where you could pop it out and say those affirmations. Those things are constant reminder. You could call it a vision board affirmation, right? Or whatever verbiage or words that you want to use. But I really want to make sure that you activate yourself, right? I want you to make sure that you are speak not as though they were. I want you to speak things as if they have already existed in your life. When you see it, when you hear it, when you feel it, when you say it, when you write it down, then that activates another part of the universe where a lot of times things will come to you a lot faster because you are adding those feelings, you are adding those words, those sounds, those emotions, those visual concepts of what you actually want to achieve in your life. So, make sure you hit the follow button and say, these are some of the things that I want to achieve. All right, one of the next things that I want you to do, and I have done this as well, is I purchased a digital frame. And I will show you all how I did it at the end of this video or somewhere throughout the video. So I went to Amazon and I purchased a digital frame, and I actually have that frame on my dresser, and the frame actually rotates photos. So instead of the vision board taking up a whole entire wall, I actually have it in a digital frame. I went to Canva, I designed some of the things that I wanted, and when I wake up in the morning, my frame is actually rotating those images that I want to see. If I'm just in my room just hanging out, those images of what I actually want to manifest is rotating on that digital digital frame, then that means that my vision, the things that I want to achieve, is always set before me. Because the reason why I said that if you have your vision board just on one wall, then that means that every time you go to that one room, that's where your vision is at. But the method that I am teaching you is to always have what you desire right before you. That means that your index cards are there. That means that your song is there. That means that your affirmations or your documents are folded somewhere and it's always there. That means that as you are taking your handbag from one place to the next, that means that your vision is there. And once you begin to have these things where you could see them, where you could feel them, where you could touch them, where you could speak over them, then guess what? Everything that you want is already there, and it will begin to come a lot faster. So those are the ways that I have expressed how you could really live a life of your dreams by not just having, not to say it's boring, but I mean, if you want to use that old way, then girlfriend, go ahead. But what the modern way is, I have multiple streams of income. I make money in my sleep. I'm in the best shape of my life. Okay, I mean, which one would you rather have? Which one would you rather have? For me, I love the song that I've created for myself, and I sing it all the time, and I would encourage for you to add the song on your playlist, and then that way you could just feel the energy flow through your body. You could actually experience what you actually want for your life and your business, and I promise you, everything that you want will manifest in time. Also, as you have your vision board, I cannot leave without saying this. Make sure that you not only write the vision, see the vision, say the vision, verbalize it, and feel those emotions, but actually make sure that you are doing the work. The work requires you. If it requires for you to wake up earlier in the morning, does it require you to sacrifice some time? Does it require you to work out? Does it require you to eat a little bit healthier? Now, I want you to realize that although you do have this grand vision, in order for you to achieve what you really want, in order for you to achieve what you really want, you have to make sure that you put in the time, because that is the only way that the universe will make sure that it grants your wish and your heart's desire if you are putting in the work. If you like any of the things that I have been saying in this video, make sure that you can subscribe, but make sure that you do subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of the amazing content that is going to come to you on a weekly and even a daily basis. I am Alicia Richard, and thank you so much for visiting and viewing and experiencing my world. And remember that I want you to live a life of your dreams in your mind, your body, your soul, your business, and your relationships. If this video was helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend about the Vision Board Remix. I appreciate your time, your consciousness, your love, and being here in my space, because we are family. Oh, I got my subscribers in me. Hey, we are family. Come on, everybody, you see. All right, that's all I have to say today. Thank you again so much for everything. I am Alicia Richard, and I will look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye-bye.